Local news for Friday the 30th of November. An award-winning program that improves the well-being of young women will launch in Wairarapa next year. The Shift Foundation supports women aged 12 to 20 by increasing awareness of well-being, reducing barriers and empowerment. The three Wairarapa councils have worked with Shift and Sport Wellington Wairarapa to bring the program to the region for a 6-month trial period. Masterton District Council has engaged specialist project management company Zygo to oversee its $15.5 million Civic Centre project, led by Andy Mallard, who has more than 40 years' experience in the construction industry, including construction of the Westpac Stadium. And the Wairarapa Chamber of Commerce will begin 2019 with a new identity. Following a decision made at Tuesday night's AGM, the members in attendance voted unanimously in favour of changing the organisation's name to Business Wairarapa and Te Ho'onunga Pakahi o Wairarapa, which is now subject to formal acceptance from a local cultural advisor. And in sport, the Wairarapa Bush Sevens head away this weekend for the Centrals. Hosted in Honowhenua Kapiti, the side will feature at least 6 of this year's Heartland rugby side. And the Wairarapa men's cricket team take on Taranaki in the next round of the Furlong Cup. And that game is being played at Masterton's Queen Elizabeth Park tomorrow.